All right, come here.
Come here.
I can smell marijuana on you. Come here.
Oh, you're lying.
Come here. I promise you, if that's a gun, it's not going to end well for you.
I know.
This man, shots fired. Shots fired.
On February 9th, 2022, at around 10:30 p.m. in the vicinity of the Spruce and Warren Streets intersection in Jonesboro, what began as a stop quickly escalated. A struggle ensued between Officer Corey Obregon and 22-year-old Jayden J. Prunty, leading to an exchange of gunfire.
Obregon with the Jonesboro Police Department. The reason I'm getting out with you, man, we're just doing a little bit of drug interdiction in the area. We're just trying to get to know people also. There's a little bit of community policing, okay? Do what? All right, come here. Come here. I can smell marijuana on you. Come here.
Oh, you're lying.
Come here.
You're lying.
Come here.
No.
Hey, come here.
Smell marijuana,
Come
bro.
here.
What are
Come
you
here.
doing?
I will tell you. Come here.
No, you're
Come
making
here.
me nervous. Stop.
Come here. On the ground.
Stop!
No.
Please.
Give me your hand.
No.
Give me your hand.
I can't.
Give me your
I
hand.
cannot, bro. I
Give me your
didn't do
hand.
nothing.
Give me your hand.
No.
I've got one fighting. Give me your hand.
No.
Quit reaching for whatever you're reaching for. Give me your hand. Let go. Let go. I promise you, if that's a gun, it's not going to end well for you.
I know it's not.
Give me your hand. This man, shots fired. Shots fired. I took one round to the leg.
You took one round to the
Yo.
leg?
Yo. 10-4.
Copy.
Yeah, get fucking.
What do you need to do out?
I'm good. This much, I'm 10-4. She's bleeding a little bit from the leg.
10-4, we've got EMS and out and staging. Where's your suspect?
We are right in front of Warren, west of Warren, still on Spruce. Towards the heart, Corey. Towards the heart. EMS is on the way. EMS is on the way.
You okay?
You guys just pass it, turn right now. There you go. started taking off from me.
Which direction?
Well, he's on the ground now. I'm good. Yeah. Not sure if the bullet's still in my leg or not, but
Here. Lay down.
I got to turn again.
You got to turn again? Okay.
I'm good.
Is it stopped?
I know it should be.
Yeah, you're not pulsing. Hold on. Give me.
That's fine. It's good in my pants.
You sure?
Yeah.
I just don't want to be able to get around it.
It'll be okay.
Not
there.
The channel's patch.
Not there.
10-4.
Did it come through or?
I don't think so. I think it's still in there. It's still bleeding, but it's not bleeding bad.
Right now.
Huh? Shoot.
15-1.
Where you hit?
He's here right there. He's got. I guess he's applied his own permit. Yep. There's no Yeah, stay, guys.
Next officer on scene, go ahead and set a perimeter in that area.
It's tight.
You know what I'm saying?
Huh?
You good?
Yeah, help me hobble over to the back. Well, never mind.
What? Where you gotta go?
Hey, you
Yeah. Sit the fuck down.
I'm trying. Other side. I got you. It's just really tight.
I got you. Good?
Yeah, it's just really tight.
No, you're not loosening that shit.
I know. Yeah, good.
14 dispatch.
Check 14, 22, 41.
He walking in the middle of the roadway. So, you know, you make contact.
Just anything
It's not the odor of marijuana coming from him. Okay.
Get crime scene. Get crime scene tape. We need to get ambulances in. I don't know. I don't know. You might be able to find it.
Description of the other guy?
It's just him.
Just him. It's just him.
Just him.
Hey, don't touch that.
Not another. Yeah.
No other guy? One guy?
One guy.
Hey.
Just him.
No other suspect. Just the one that's on scene here.
It's still bleeding.
Yeah.
That was that first shit. It's stopped now.
You're good though, man?
I really hope it's not fucking in there though. I don't want to do surgery.
Y'all clear. Deputy's clear.
Thank y'all.
So you can set the crop. All right, man. Glad you're all right, buddy.
Appreciate it.
You want to take an arts?
Probably.
I'll see you first.
That first.
Are you okay?
I'm good.
Is this the only place you're hit, man?
Do what?
Is this the only place you're hit?
Yes.
What was that with?
Good, bro.
Yeah, I just got one to the leg.
Okay, well, my bad. I didn't realize you were. I just thought you had like one little piece.
You need to go get seen about.
Do what?
You need to go get seen.
Yeah, I know. You
go
got
with me?
a booby bus that way?
Yep.
Sure. Fucking right. This thing's tight as shit.
Some help?
Yeah.
Let me bring the stretcher up here so you don't gotta walk.
Sure.
Hey, run that in front of my car.
Yeah, if you want to.
Can you walk?
Yeah.
Here, where you parked that 8th? I'm right up there. You want to put him in mine and move it or no? No, mine's just right here.
Where do you want it? 23.
St.
Go
Bernard.
St. Bernard's.
Taking it.
Yes. Yeah, my truck's right here with just screaming.
Hold off on that tape.
Drop the tape. Yeah. We can go ahead and do that right now if you want to.
What are we doing?
You want me to go ahead and take his weapon?
I'm running out of office and have this on the charger. So,
I'm recording right now.
you running? Okay, we can do it.
Can we still run while I'm over at St. Bernard? You want me to cut it off while you're sitting on?
Prunty later died at a local hospital. The officer sustained a non-life-threatening gunshot wound to the leg and was later cleared to return to duty. Jonesboro Police Department requested the Arkansas State Police to conduct an independent investigation into the officer-involved shooting. The case was reviewed by the Craighead County prosecuting attorney. The prosecuting attorney later ruled that the officer was justified in the use of deadly force.